Hey guys, my name is Michael Opake, and in this Access tutorial I will be showing you how to create mailing labels for just anything you need to mail a great amount of quantities to just a significant amount of people. So what you're going to do, start out on presenters table, double click that, and for just in this scenario we are going to be making mailing labels for these people because in the chapter 4 grader assessment this is what we had to do. So you bring up the presenters table, click create, and then in the reports tab, labels, and then they want you to start out on Avery USA 8660, which is just the basic format, but there are, it looks like hundreds of others formats that you could use all the way. These are just the sizing. So for this case, we're just going to use Avery USA 8660. And then this is just the font. You can pick whatever kind of font you want. Goes pretty much any kind of font that Microsoft lets you use. Let's do Century. Any kind of font size, whatever you want, as big as small as you want. Let's do 12. Font weight, that's just how thick it's going to be. Mold, medium, semi-bold, bold, things like that. Let's just do a regular normal. Text color, pick any kind of color you want. Let's do just basic black. And you can italicize it, underline it, whatever you like. So what you want to do is make sure the first field is selected. Click first name. Make sure you include the space, because if you don't include the space it will just be all one word and that won't look right. So first name, space, last name. Click the second field, click address, and then in the very last one you use city, comma, state, space, zip code. And then next, and then this is just the sorting, what order they will come up depending on which one you choose. So we can do last name, address, city, state, zip code, however you want to sort it, you're picking it, it's up to you. So let's just do last name. And you can save it however you'd like. For this project we had to do presenters, mailing label. So we'll save it as that. Click finish. And there are all our mailing labels. So you can use these if you have like a birthday party, graduation party, wedding, anything like that. Access gives you this opportunity to quickly import just first name, last name, addresses, and it'll compute mailing labels. I did it in less than 3 minutes. So this was just quick basic tutorial on how to create some mailing labels.